This video will focus on evaluating argument checklists. So basically, if you want to evaluate your argument, there's a checklist that I have placed below that you will be able to use to see if your argument is valid or if your argument is weak or if you've checked all the boxes. So when you're evaluating your argument, a checklist is extremely important. It says when evaluating the strength of an argument, the following questions are extremely important. Once you have said yes to the following, your argument will be strong. If in the event you said no, or you checked most of the boxes to be no, then you'll need to reevaluate your argument as it is too weak for your claim to be the one that comes out on top. So, this checklist that I have put in, I've done much research, I have checked to make sure that, all our boxes are checked and we're ready to evaluate our argument. So, once you're done writing your argument piece or you're done with your argument piece, you now need to look at the following. Did the author or did you support your claim with evidence? If your answer is yes, that's one check. Are the claims and evidence relevant to the case? That means if you're talking about why Burger King is better than Chick-fil-A, you cannot be talking about McDonald's because McDonald's will not be relevant to your case. So are the claims and evidence relevant to the case? If your answer is yes, you're on your way. Are facts and statistics included? If you said yes, you're on your way. What do I mean by this? So an argument is based on facts, statistics, evidence. It is not based on your opinion. What you think is irrelevant. You need to look at data. You need to do your research and use all the evidence to include in your argument for it to be valid. Does the author use facts to support claim or was it their opinion? Now, if you find yourself saying, I think, I believe, that's your opinion, then you're going to definitely say no. But if you used facts to support your claim, that's a check. It says, does the author avoid unnecessarily biased or emotional charged language? You must believe what I say. Those are unnecessary. Those are too emotionally charged. That means you've not done enough research. So you're looking for pity or someone to take your point based on emotionally charged language. If you avoided all those, then of course you'd put a check mark. It says, does the argument make logical sense? Now, is it that you're just rambling on with words? Or did you choose words in your research that supported what you're trying to put across? And finally, does the author refute opposing viewpoints with logic and relevant evidence? In all argument, there is going to be a counterclaim or a counter argument. This is where the other side or the other person you're arguing with, remember, one person can't argue. The other person you're arguing with is giving you evidence to prove you wrong. You need to have enough evidence to go ahead and refute what they said. Prove that what they said makes no sense in order for you to be the winner of the argument. If you've checked yes for all these boxes, then you have a strong argument. And then what you say is definitely going to capture the minds of all your readers. Until next time, stay safe, guys.